Hey guys, welcome to this WhatsApp guide, and here I'll detail how to like WhatsApp status. So if you want to like WhatsApp status on your Android phone or on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So maybe you have a status you are looking through on your WhatsApp page, and now you want to like the status without commenting on it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Play Store on your Android and App Store on your iPhone. Then once you open the Play Store, now the next thing to do is go ahead and search for the WhatsApp application. Then search for it. Then you should see an update available for you. So go ahead and update the WhatsApp app to the latest variant. If you're already on the outdated version, you'll not be able to like your friends' WhatsApp status without commenting on it or without using the emoji icons on the WhatsApp emojis page. But with the latest WhatsApp installed on your phone, you'll be able to like the WhatsApp status by just swiping through the WhatsApp one after the other. So now wait for the WhatsApp update to complete, and once the update is installed successfully, then you can now go ahead and open the WhatsApp on your phone. Now once the WhatsApp update is completed, then go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then go to update. Now on the update page, go to the status you want to like. So just swipe through the status you have on your WhatsApp and then go to the one you want to like. So let's say this status. Then you should see the like button at the bottom right. Just click on it and then you should see the status liked again. Then this is going to be visible on all your status. You see that? So just go ahead and like the status just like that. So that is basically how to like status on WhatsApp. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.